Hi everyone, and welcome to the second AMS Evolution North America conference here in Dearborn, where we're once again bringing together leaders from across automotive manufacturers, tier 1 suppliers, equipment providers, digitalization specialists, and many more across the ecosystem here in North America. My name is Christopher Ludwig. I'm the Chief Content Officer here. It's been my pleasure to work with the team to gather this community together and focus on the areas that really impact the industry most. We'll be talking about things over the next day, such as, of course, transformation to electric vehicle, and at the same time, the uncertainty in that transformation, and how plants and manufacturing engineers and many kind of leaders have to adapt to the constant change, have to be ready and flexible, both in their production as well as in their mindset. We'll be hearing real strategies about how plants across the region are doing this, what investments, what technology, what tools, what training for people is necessary. At the same time, of course, we're looking at digitalization and smart factory, next level automation, inline systems, computer vision, so many opportunities. AI, of course, all the buzzwords. But at the same time, we're always going to take a human-centric approach to this, understanding the real impacts on the shop floor, the real purpose and goals for what these technologies bring, and the opportunities that are going to come with them. And of course, there'll be a big focus on cost reduction, because competition in this industry is faster than ever, and is higher than ever, and we need to reduce costs to make EVs and future mobility even more affordable. We started tonight at our welcome reception with a Meet the Speakers session, where we brought together some of the key speakers at our events to share some insights into their career, into their philosophies, and into, of course, what they're discussing here. For example, Christopher Glover, Executive Vice President of Volkswagen's Chattanooga operations, talked about how the plants have to respond to incredible variability in production, be it between EV and ICE vehicles, as well as managing software. And he'll be talking a lot about the systems required to do that, the processes and investments. We also heard from Jeremy Keating, who leads Stellantis transmission complex in Kokomo, Indiana, about how plants need to be able to manage transformation with relatively low levels of investment in capital expenditure compared to the past. It just puts even more pressure on continuous improvement, which is the topic of a session that he'll be doing together with Dr. Asif Khan. And Dr. Khan really shared how, although there's so much digitalization, so much change, continuous improvement, lean processes can really help car makers and manufacturers and suppliers to manage that transition together. It's really important points. But at the end, the competition is still vital. We heard from Paul Bellinger at Stamp, for example, how keeping up with the speed in China, competition in China, will be critical here in North America as well. And that's just some of the things that we learned tonight, and we're going to be talking in a lot more detail across our conference here. And we'll be sharing highlights with you right here on LinkedIn, on the AMS website, where we have a blog giving you insights into what's happening, key quotes, and of course lots of follow-up articles, interviews with our top speakers, and so much more from across the event, and what we're planning to dive deep in across AMS over the next year as well. So keep following us here on LinkedIn, keep up with the AMS website. We've got a lot more to share with you and to talk about the manufacturing community here at AMS Evolution North America.